Hello my loves, it's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today we are decorating my favorite planner of all, which is my creative journal, and it is for the week of June 27th through July 3rd, and the planner is called Sophisticated Florals. I am going to be using the lovely sticker book called Hello Summer from Live Love Posh. I absolutely love her books. If you didn't know, I actually use them quite a bit. So a lot of my posts are with her stickers. So I'm gonna go ahead and use the first sticker collection that she has in this book, and is this very lovely pool scene. Okay, so while I do that, I wanted to say thank you if this is your first time joining me. Welcome to my channel, and if you are joining me yet again and choosing to spend time with me, thank you so very much. I'm so excited that you're choosing to do that. So here we go. I'm gonna be adding all of these like pools and infinity pools into my spread today with lots of pinks and blues, and I just love this. Like the moment I saw this, the vibrancy of these stickers spoke to me, and I knew I needed to do it. So here we go. And it has lovely florals as well as different pool accents. So I really enjoy adding these. Like, look how cute this looks, right? It looks like it's like this pool is surrounding all of my planner, which I really love. I'm gonna put this tiny one right in the middle so these girls can enjoy. I'm gonna add one of the girls just laying down. These stickers are gorgeous, you guys. Really gorgeous. And I can't wait to find like this beautiful blue pen and pink pen and write all over in my planner that week. I can't wait to show you guys soon and the flip throughs of 6 months of my planners. That's gonna be a fun video coming up in few days, hopefully next week. So here we go. Like I said, I am looking forward to it. I'm just adding different elements into the spread and kind of playing with the balance of it. I want lots of stickers this week, but I also want enough room to write. So it's going to be a balancing act between those two, because like I said, these stickers are just like drop dead gorgeous. So let's take a look where to put this. Okay, I'm gonna add this blue drink up here, and then some leaves, maybe one on the other side to balance it out, like so. Let's see, do I have another leaf like that? For now, let's add the sunscreen right there. It's just so gorgeous, so gorgeous. Like, I just want to keep putting more and more stuff, but let's see what happens. Okay, let's see if I can just kind of do that and do that here too, kind of connect it with flowers. I think so. Let's see how it looks. If not, I'm gonna take it off. Actually, I think that looks great, so I will leave it. And now I'm gonna get some boxes from Live Love Posh of Mojo Jojo plans, and hopefully these colors will match, right? Okay, I found one more leaf, so let's pluck that down, and I'm gonna look for the boxes really quickly to make sure that everything matches. Hopefully, like I said, I can find colors that will match completely with this spread. I want these gorgeous blues and the pinks, so I can write in there. This spread is already quite busy, but like I said, I love these graphics. They're probably one of my favorites this year as far as stickers go. I love it. So let's go ahead and grab Mojo Jojo and add some boxes. I'm looking through all of her stickers and I just picked up the summer one because I think that's gonna be my best bet. So I have the pinks for sure, just saw them, and I think these blues match. Woohoo! Okay, this doesn't happen very often where I can just without a doubt say that this is a great match. Yep, these look beautiful. So I'm going to take some blue stickers and place them, and then I'm going to play with pinks to balance it out, and then I think they'll be good. When you guys plan with your stickers in your planner, do you often think about balancing your spread with equal amounts of color throughout, where it looks kind of like it's supposed to be? Or do you just do whatever feels natural to you and you go with the flow? I know that everybody is a little bit different, so for me, I will take a step back, I will look at my spread, see if it actually balances out for me in my eyes, and then I go from there. I know that everybody is so different, but that's kind of the process that I do. Sometimes I will start a spread and then come back to it too, so it just depends for me. I never take very long planning though. Like my plan with me's in general are about 15 minutes. I knock out a spread in about 15 minutes or less. That's how I'm able to plan in so many planners without feeling overwhelmed, because my spreads are very quick. My placement of stickers probably takes the same amount as for some people it takes to do one spread. I can probably do 3. So it just depends. I just feel very comfortable with my style. Anyhow, that's all I had for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it and have a great week. I'll see you soon. Bye.